This dance is called The Little Farmer. It's a 32 count, 2 wall, beginner level line dance with 1 step change and 1 restart. Starting on the right foot. Touch your right heel forward, hook the right over the left, touch the right heel forward again, flick the right back. So when you're hooking, you're literally just resting the right in front of that left leg. Having done your flick, you're going to go forward on a right shuffle. 1 and 2 count timing steps, stepping the right forward, left beside right, stepping the right forward. Your right shuffle. Then you're going to repeat that with the left foot leading. So you're going to touch that left heel forward, hook the left over the right, so it's just resting in front of that right leg. Touch that left heel forward, flick the left back. Shuffle forward on the left, 1 and 2 count timing steps, stepping the left forward, right beside left, step the left forward. That set of steps once more then. Heel hook off on the right. 7, 8. Heel, hook, heel, flick, right, shuffle. Heel, hook, heel, flick, left, shuffle. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself half a turn to the left. So you should now be facing the back wall. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself a further quarter of a turn to the left, so you're now facing the side wall. Add on a jazz box with a cross. So you're going to cross the right over the left, step the left back, step the right to the side, cross that left over the right. Jazz box with a cross. That set of steps once more then. Step pivot half, step pivot quarter, off on that right. 7, 8. Step, pivot, step, pivot, cross, back, side, cross. Now by doing that step pivot half and that step pivot quarter, you are doing the equivalent of a 3/4 of a turn to the left. Now we always say, do try and put the turns in, because the dances do look so much better when they are in there. However, should you find that you're having trouble with that 3/4 of a turn, either because you can't get round in time to the music, or it's making you feel dizzy or disorientated, there are some alternative steps that you can do. So rather than doing that first step pivot, you can rock forward on the right, recover your weight back on the left. That takes out that step pivot half. Then rock back on the right. As you recover your weight, make a quarter turn to the right. So your weight is now on the left. You can then add on your jazz box with the cross. So those are non-turning steps should you need to take out that combination 3/4 turn in the first half of that section. But like I say, do try and do the turns first, only do these as a last resort. So let's add that to the top. Heel hook off on the right. 7, 8. Heel hook, heel flick, right shuffle. Heel hook, heel flick, left shuffle. Step, pivot, step, pivot, cross, back, side, cross. Chasse to the right. 1 and 2 count timing steps, stepping the right to the side, left beside right, step the right to the side. Your right chasse. Rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right. And repeat with the left foot leading. So we're going to chasse to the left. Again, 1 and 2 count timing steps, stepping the left to the side, right beside left, left to the side. Then rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left. That set of steps once more then. right chasse, right foot leads. 7, 8, right chasse, back rock, left chasse, back rock. Let's add that to the top. Heel hook off on the right. 7, 8, heel hook, heel flick, right shuffle, heel hook, heel flick, left shuffle, step, pivot, step, pivot, cross, back, side, cross, right chasse, back, rock, left chasse, back, rock. Step forward on the right, kick the left forward. Step back on the left, touch the right beside the left. Make a quarter turn to the right as you step forward on that right, and make sure you turn your whole body, don't just twist it. So your back foot will have its heel off the floor, that's absolutely fine. Kick the left forward into a left coaster step. 1 and 2 count timing steps, stepping the left back, right beside left, step left forward. That set of steps once more then, step kick off on the right. 7, 8, step, kick, back, touch, turn, kick, coaster, step. End of the dance when we get to that point, let's put it all together. Heel hook off on the right. 7, 8, heel hook, heel flick, right shuffle, heel hook, heel flick, left shuffle, step, pivot, cross, back, side, cross, right chasse, back, rock, left chasse, back, rock, step, kick, back, touch, turn, kick, coaster, step. So that is your dance. Now what I will do is go through it with the counts so you can see exactly where all the and counts fit in. Heel hook off on the right, and these have got and counts in them. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Hopefully that gives you a feel for the timing of the dance. So there are and counts in that heel hook, heel flick section. Now it is a 2-wall dance, so let's have a go at the back wall. We'll keep going when we get back to the front so you can see how the walls join together. And I will speed it up just a bit when we get back to the front because the music is just a little bit faster. Heel hook off on the right. 7, 8. Heel hook, heel flick, right shuffle. Heel hook, heel flick, left shuffle. Step, pivot, cross, back, side, cross. Right chasse, back, rock, left chasse, back, rock. Step, kick, back, touch, turn, kick, coaster, step. Heel hook, heel flick, right shuffle. Heel hook, heel flick, left shuffle. Step, pivot, cross, back, side, cross. Right chasse, back, rock, left chasse, back, rock. Step, kick, back, touch, turn, kick, coaster, step. So hopefully you managed to follow that. Now there is one step change and one restart in this dance. It comes on wall 7, which is your 12 o'clock wall, so you'll actually be facing the front wall after 12 counts. So you will have done your double step pivot, your step pivot half, step pivot quarter. You'll be about to go into your jazz box with a cross. Your step change is, rather than doing the jazz box with a cross, you're going to do a jazz box quarter turn. So you will be facing 3 o'clock by the time you've done your step pivot half, step pivot quarter. So this is your step change, jazz box, quarter turn. So you're going to cross the right over left, step the left back. Make a quarter turn right as you step forward on that right, step the left beside the right. That is your step change. So rather than your jazz box cross, you do that jazz box quarter turn, and then you restart with your heel, hook, heel, flick. So it's wall 7, which is our 12 o'clock wall. Let's take you up to 12 counts. Add that step change and restart the dance. Heel hook off on the right. 7, 8. Heel hook, heel flick, right shuffle. Heel hook, heel flick, left shuffle. Step, pivot, step change, cross, back, turn, close, restart, heel hook, heel flick, right shuffle. So it is single count timing on your jazz box, which is your step change. So hopefully you can see how that fits in. Change the jazz box cross to a jazz box quarter turn and restart the dance. So that's it. That is your dance. It's your walk through. It's your step change and restart information. Let's give it a go to bed music. 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel hook, heel flick, right shuffle. Heel hook, heel flick, left shuffle. Step, pivot, cross, back, side, cross. Right chasse, back, rock, left chasse, back, rock. Step, kick, back, touch, turn, kick, coaster step. Heel hook, heel flick, right shuffle. Heel hook, heel flick, left shuffle. Step, pivot, cross, back, side, cross. Right chasse, back, rock, left chasse, back, rock. Step, kick, back, touch, turn, kick, coaster step. Heel hooks, step pivots, chasse, step kick, heel hooks, pivots, chasse, step kick,
children and my wife, and farm ways were changing rapidly. Now there's silage in the pen, a machine to milk the cows, and a John Deere where the Clydesdales used to be. I was a young man when I sowed the fields of barley, with the Clydesdales when I sprayed the spots in May. And a farmer I have lived, and a farmer I will die, and I wouldn't have it any other way.
wall 7, step change wall, step change, cross, back, turn, close, restart, heel hooks,
Are my sons and their wee boys,
pivots,
cows and lamb and sheep as day is dawning.
chasse,
stay the same, and they'll carry on the name.
Step
And
kick.
the big old wheel of life just keeps on turning. I was a young man when I sowed the fields of barley, with the Clydesdales when I sprayed the spots in May. And a farmer I have lived, and a farmer I will die, and I wouldn't have it any other way. I was a young man when I sowed the fields of barley, with the Clydesdales when I sprayed the spots in May. And a farmer I have lived, and a farmer I will die, and I wouldn't have it any other way. No, I wouldn't have it any other way.
Hope you managed that well.